Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the account's age and verification because Roblox locks chat for younger accounts. Once logged in, go straight to settings via the gear icon. This saves time. Make sure you're on the account you want to change, then open account info and privacy sections. You need to verify your email and check whether your account is under parental controls. If so, ask the parent to sign in. This initial check prevents hitting blocks later. Now you'll change the chat permissions. In privacy, locate contact settings or chat and party and set allowed communications to everyone or friends depending on your preference. This is the core change. If account restrictions is enabled, disable it in account info. This restricts chat when on. Also confirm your email and any age verification prompts so Roblox recognizes you as eligible for full chat. Once set, save changes and log out then in to apply them. Finish by testing chat in a populated game to ensure messages send and you see others. If you don't see results, clear the app or browser cache and sign out then back in, or try a different device. These simple steps often force settings to update. If chat remains restricted, double-check any linked parent or family settings and complete Roblox's age verification process if requested. If problems continue, contact Roblox support with account details so they can review the restrictions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.